5996.
Looking at the car sitting in my garage, I don't use the car, so let somebody else enjoy it.
It's very cute.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very friendly reminder, please, that the direct ancestor to the Ferrari 5996 Speed is this, the 1971 Ferrari 365 GTB Daytona Berlinetta. How often do you truly have the chance to buy a fantastic Ferrari from its original owner? A true enthusiast who picked the car up at the factory in person, canceled his return trip home so that he could specifically pick the options and colors in person at Maranello. It's been sitting in storage in his Toronto condo ever since, 25 years now. This opportunity for such an original single-owner Daytona will not come again soon, perhaps ever.
Thank you, Alan. A really, really special one-owner, completely original Ferrari Daytona. I'm going to open the bidding here on this car at $300,000 now. At 300, thank you. I've taken 300, 350 perhaps if your client wants. 350, thank you. Do I have 400,000? 400,000 I am bid. At 400,000, do I have 450 now? $450,000 I have on my left. At $450,000, do I have $500,000? $500,000 I am bid. 550, thank you, sir. 550, absolutely, I have you. Do I have $600,000 from either of you gentlemen? We're at $550,000 now for the Condo-Find Daytona. $600,000 I am bid on the telephone. Do I have 650 from either of you gentlemen? At $600,000 then. Well, the bid is on the telephone at 600. You're out here and here on my left at $600,000 then. And I shall sell, if there is no better bid, at just $600,000 for this fabulous Ferrari Daytona. It's going, I'm going to count it down, ladies and gentlemen, at $600,000, and it's going for the first time to the telephone. At $600,000, then it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen, on the telephone. 610, 620 now. 620 if you like. We're at $610,000. $625,000 I am bid. Do I have $650,000 bid now? La puoi comprare, bella. 635, 635. La tieni così o la restauri? 635 I have. $650,000. 650. 10 ancora se vuoi. 660, 660, 660,000 I have on my left. At 660, do I have 670,000 now?
Yes.
675, thank you. 5 se vuoi. 680, l'ultimo, 680, 680,000, 680,000 I have here. At 680,000, so I have $690,000 now. $700,000 I have on the telephone. A $700,000. No? Grazie comunque, abbiamo provato. At 700,000, then the bid on the telephone, and I'm selling the car, ladies and gentlemen, it's going for the first time. At $700,000, it's going for the second time. For the third and the last time, for the one owner from you, Ferrari Daytona, at $700,000. Well done, all finished. Sold your car, well done. 4283, $700,000.